Today we are covering how to buy shares of Crédit Agricole du Morbihan SC and the steps to locate CMO.PA on Euronext, a regional French banking cooperative focused on retail financial services. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you will need a broker, and we will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CMO.PA to find the correct listing. Then select the result that matches Crédit Agricole du Morbihan SC on Euronext to open its page. On the company page, you will see basic company information and a price chart that reflects market activity, so confirm the issuer name and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button. Choose the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when trading reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in the portfolio view once the order is executed, and if you want to follow the steps we used, find the eToro link in the description below.